So, do you want to make quick bows with your papers and within 2 minutes, and that too with your scrap papers? If your answer is yes, then make sure you watch this full video, and if you're new to our channel, make sure you subscribe to our channel. So, let's get started. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Kanika this side from Handmade by Kanika. Make sure you subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on so you never miss an update from us. So basically these are the paper scraps which I have. These are the Tinny Winnie's paper from Dress My Craft. So I'll be choosing one of them. So basically you need a rectangular piece of paper, be it any size. To start off you need to fold it into half like this. So the size of bow you want, as per that you need to select the size of the paper. Now what I'm going to do is, onto the folded side, which is this one, I'm going to just trim it 0.5 centimeters on the right hand side, and I'll be making a curvy shape like this. So if you want, you can as well create your own template, or as well first draw it and cut it. So onto the other side I'm trimming till the center point, and then from this center point I'm going back to the other side by keeping a distance of 0.5 centimeter, which looks like this. So onto the right hand side you can see it has open end like this, and one end is closed. So now our base of the bow is ready, which looks like this. So here I am grabbing my 6mm red tacky tape. You can use your liquid adhesive like your Fevicol or tacky glue as well. And onto the back side at the center I am putting up like this, and I am just removing a little bit of the backing of my red tacky tape. You can as well use your liquid adhesive. The reason I am not using is that it takes a little longer to dry, and I'm making a video, so I prefer using red tacky tape. And then what I'm going to do is, with the leftover red tacky tape, I'm going to cover it fully, that is covering the top as well like this. So the base of the bow is ready. Now I'm going to grab similar paper. This is the similar design, and I'm trimming off a little bit like this. And then what I'm going to do is, from the backing side I am just covering half area, taking it to the front like this, and then going back to the starting point. So if you want, you can have this center lid lifted up like here you can see, or as well you can flatten it up. So with the leftover paper, what I'm going to do is I'm going to trim it off like this. So the bow base is ready. So if you want the lifted up center like this here as well, you can see, you can do it. Otherwise you can stick it as well, as we already have the red tacky tape. So this is the part 2 of how to use your paper scraps. If you want to know how to make this cute little miniature cake for your explosion boxes from scrap, you can refer to my video number 92, to which the link is in description box. So now the base of the bow is ready, which is this one. Now comes the variation. So what I'm going to do is, I'm using this similar design paper, and I'm again trimming it off to the size as per my wish. So here I'm using my trimmer. If you have trimmer, you can use this, or as well you can simply cut it with the help of your scissor. So I'm taking this scrap paper and I'm just folding it into the half, and with the help of my scissors I am making a V cut, which looks like this. So I'm making sure that I get the perfect ends, so I am further trimming it off. And then what I'm going to do is, at the center I'm going to snip it off, which becomes like this. You can as well use your banner punch if you have it. Now what I'm going to do is, I'm going to take another small piece of my red tacky tape, and I have aligned my paper, and then I'm adding it over like this. I'm removing the backing and simply placing over my bow like this, and it will make my bow complete. So these are the basic and easy to make bows for your explosion box, albums and scrapbooks. If you want to learn more variations, do comment and let me know. I shall make another video of it. So now moving on to the next design. Here I have taken another piece of scrap and I am folding it into half, and what I'm going to do is, as per the size of bow, it was little big, so I'm trimming it off little bit. Now I'm just creating a V cut again like this, and onto the one corner I I am just going back to the other side up to almost center, and then I'm keeping a little bit at the center and coming it again to the starting position, which creates something like this. And then what I'm going to do is, onto the center area, I will stick over the basic bow which we made earlier in this video, like this. So this is how the third variation of the bow comes. These are the basic bows which you can use in your explosion boxes, the top lid of the explosion boxes. So I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial. Make sure you watch our video number 92 of the paper cake as well. See you soon. Until next time, till then, happy crafting.